in this video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano natin imo-monitor yung ating mga servers. Then automatically, magki-create siya ng documentations under the Bookstack and it will trigger gamit yung NFN. So this tutorial is under my home lab testing. So but we will apply it also if you have like a servers or anything that you want to monitor in your corporate company or in your job. Okay, so let's start. So integrated operations ecosystem. So orchestrating automation, documentation, and observability with NetN, Bookstack, and Grafana. Okay. So the value proposition is operational velocity, single source of truth, predictive, observability, and rapid ROI. So pag sinabi nating operational is reduce manual overhead by automating cross-platform workflows. Achieve up to 75% reduction and repetitive reporting tasks through event-driven orchestration. With a single truth naman is eliminate knowledge silos, documentation, and real-time Grafana are synchronized automatically to ensure data integrity. So with the use of Grafana to monitor anything that we want to monitor servers and any appliances that we have like network appliances, and we have Bookstack to document what is the status or what should be the report that we need under the Bookstack. Predictive observability is we will be using Grafana alert to trigger and remediation workflows before service degradations impact users. So ibig sabihin, with the use of Grafana and NetN, we will eliminate kung ano yung pwedeng mangyari under on our servers and on our devices. Rapid ROI, typically organizations are achieved within 60 to 90 days through 90 drop in internal IT support requests and significantly productivity gains. Ibig sabihin, with the use of this tool, i-automate na natin yung reporting. So it will not, magkakaroon tayo ng source of truth. Then also yung pag-observe ng mga appliances is automation na. Okay? So, NetN automation orchestration. So ano ba yung ginagawa ng NetN? So si NetN is yung pinaka-low code backbone natin, which is ang connectivity nito is meron siyang 400 plus integrations with the use of HTTP and REST API. Scalability, so multi-tenant capability siya. Then governance, self-hosted options provide total data sovereignty and secure compliance. Ibig sabihin, we can create our own infrastructures for these NetN local infrastructures, local servers to install NetN so that the security of the data that we have is secured. Okay? So next is the Bookstack naman. So yung Bookstack naman natin, ito yung magiging knowledge repository natin. Kumbaga parang, for example, we have a documentations in our corporate and wala tayong pwedeng paglagyan or meron tayong ginagamit na Jira which is paid siya. With the use of Bookstack, magagamit natin siya in free. So, structured documentations, intuitive hierarchy, organized by shelves, books, and chapters. Meron din siyang API. Then, also searchability is a global search also, which you can try to find something that in a word, it will automatically publish or work in your community. Okay? And the next is Grafana. So, ano naman si Grafana? Siya yung gagamitin nating tool yung to monitor services, appliances that we have under corporate website. So, real-time insight generation siya. So, unified visibility, alerting, and efficiency. So, ibig sabihin, alerting is, for example, we set a range of 70% under the RAM or the CPU. So, with that, we will know na tumataas na yung CPU process ng ating isang servers. Tumataas na yung RAM process ng isa nating server. Efficiency, proven to accelerate insight generation by a factor of 5 times compared to manual log analysis. So ito, dahil gagamitin natin siya ng Bookstack, it will automate na yung mga log na nangyari during the time or the day na meron tayong downtime or experience high CPU utilizations or CPU RAM utilization. So, ang pinaka-deep dive, so system architecture and synergies. So, automated documentation, so system provisioning. When a new server service deployed by end-to-end. The workflow automate generates new page book stack using standard SOP template. This ensures that documentation is never afterthought, maintaining a 100% documentation coverage of rate for all new infrastructure deployments. So, gagamitin natin siya to automate yung mga documentation natin. Integrated workflows naman, so Grafana, NFN, critical alerts triggers a webhook in NFN to execute auto remediation scripts or scaling events. So once yung Grafana nag-send ng alert papunta kay Grafana, so may mga executions tayong gagawin. Pero on our part, ang gagawin natin is to monitor lang. Like for example, maglalag siya ng CPU high utilizations or RAM utilizations. Then NFN to Bookstack naman is workflow logs and deployment manifests are appended to project books for audit compliance. So, ang gagawin niya, once nagkaroon na nito ng alert, si NFN, ibabato niya naman kay Bookstack to have our own documentation process on that. Then, Bookstack to Grafana. So, SOP links are embedded in Grafana alert annotations for immediate troubleshooting context naman. So, which is, yun yung mga action needed na gagawin natin once we encountered something on our services. So performance and ROI metrics, so 90% reduction in manual reporting, 5 times faster MTTR, IT support ticket drop. So with the use of this tool, we will meet this kind of simulation process, or we will meet this kind of percentage process on our corporate or our services that we have. Then manual versus integrated operations. So one feature is provisioning, documentation, alert response, and visibility. For the manual operations, so manual scripts, 22 to 4 hours, fragmented, updated, reactive, human response, and long diving required. Which is doon naman sa integrated natin and natin automated less than 5 minutes, bookstop, autosync, proactive, and unified Grafana dashboard, which is automatic na siya halos lahat. So ito is parang roadmap lang kung magagawa tayo under our process naman. Okay?